Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about using Apple gift card on Apple Pay step by step. So watch this video till the end. First of all, you must first redeem it to your Apple account balance, then use that balance for purchases via Apple Pay at the Apple Store or in apps. The balance applies automatically to digital purchases or can be selected during checkout with Apple Pay for physical items. So, here are the step-by-step redeem to Apple account balance. So, let's get started. First of all you need to do is go to App Store. Now tap on the profile picture that you have on your screen. Now click on the redeem gift card or code. Right after that, simply tap on the use camera in order to scan the gifts, or you can manually use the code. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps you out.